Monday, the 17th of January 2022. This decision was made due to the current emergency situation that the country is experiencing.
At around 10 this morning, when it emitted gas and clouds, resulting in a huge rumbling sound.
With the Government of Tonga, with Her Royal Highness, the High Commissioner of Tonga in Canberra, to ensure that we are able to deliver the sort of support that we provide to our Pacific family and our Pacific friends. This is a very challenging time.
There has been a catastrophic loss of life that we can ascertain at this point in time, which is very good news.
So I bet you want to know what happened when the volcano went off. It's a long story. Well, actually, no it isn't. Oh my gosh, it's above us! Look at that, that's coming straight for us. Oh, there it is! Oh! That's really bad, that's really bad. Oh my god! Woo! Run! Oh my gosh, run! Holy crap, holy crap!
So right now the volcano is exploding. That huge cloud was from like 5-10 minutes ago, and I can hear the rumble.
Pushing on your ears, or when you swim under really deep, all of a sudden it'd be a wave of boom and your ears just feel like that you're like swimming. Whoa! You got that recording?
Yeah!
Woo!
No, stop screaming.
Yeah, but what if there's a tsunami?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Cover your ears, cover your ears, cover your ears. Oh, my ears, bro. I wanna go see. Yeah, your ears are popping?
Yeah, but what if there's a tsunami?
Yeah.
Holy cow, my ears!
Cover your ears, cover your ears, cover your ears. Oh, my ears, bro.
Man, that was a good one.
It's just gonna pop.
Yeah?
That's what that means.
You feel the pressure and your ears go numb, and then it makes a loud bang.
I don't feel it. Wait, it stopped.
It stopped.
It stopped, it stopped. You can feel the pressure in your ears and then all of a sudden it pops.
Look at even all the bats flying away. That means there's a tsunami coming.
Look at that. That's coming straight for us. Look at this.
I feel like throwing.
Woo!
I feel dizzy.
Alright, so the volcano is exploding right now. That's that noise you're hearing, and our ears are popping, and the ash cloud is right over the top of us.
I mean, should we like go inside?
Oh, what?
Oh! Sun's gonna be covered up soon.
Well,
On the ash.
I think we need to get out of
Side.
All those iron.
Oh, there it is! Oh! Oh my gosh, my ears are gonna pop, bro! My ears are gonna pop!
Well, I don't see anything.
Oh!
so loud it hurts my ears, and the ash cloud is coming right over our house, and it hurts our ears super bad, super loud, and it's making my ears pop like crazy.
Oh, I ate one mango. Should be raining ash soon.
I don't ain't a mango.
That's not blue. That's black. The sky's covered right there. That's
right
black.
there is-
Look at that. Alright, we should...
It's making me shake because it's really loud, and you can feel the pressure of the explosion.
Oh,
Here, let me see.
oh stop! Stop volcanoes!
Let's get out of here. Come on, come on.
Oh my god! Woo! Run, run! Oh my gosh, run! Holy crap, run! Run! Oh my gosh! Hold up! Holy crap! This is so bad! Get to the house! Get to the house! My dad, get upstairs! Hey yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we're hiding in our house with masks on because there's a volcano going off, and the pressure of the volcano going off is killing our eardrums, and it hurts really bad, and it's acid probably raining right now, right? And yeah, you got anything to say, Dad?
I just want the explosions to stop so I can go back outside and work on my fire pit.
It is raining ash chunks, listen.
Oh.
That's not rain, that's ash. That's full and my eyes are stinging. Someone's back up here. Wait, what am I doing? Oh yeah, coming up here. We're trying to fill up bowls to catch the rocks. Lionel's being...
This is fun.
Tell me how you feel about this.
Amazing.
Louder.
Amazing and boring! But it's good.
Answer the question, how do you feel right now?
I'm having a panic attack.
You're having a panic attack?
Calmly, yeah. I want to go to the bathroom, but like, if there is a tsunami, my chances of surviving are low, so I'm in the bathroom, and I don't want to be found dead in a bathroom. I feel great.
You feel great?
Yeah.
Alright. How's it treating you?
Huh?
How's it treating you?
Great.
We are on the edge. Man, it's actually worse for
Tonga.
Namuka and Tongai.
Oh yeah.
We're actually, I think we're in the better. It was better.
My ears are popping.
Yeah, mine too.
Explain what's falling out of the sky.
Oh, it's there's just stones. That's not rain. It's all rock. It hurt. I went out there and I got hit by one and oh, my ears are going.
My ears are popping too. Oh wow. Show us what you got, Ron. That's all from the volcano. That's what's falling right now.
It's not rain, it's a rock. You see?
We felt one just maybe like 3 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago.
If there's ash falling from the sky over there.
No, I think there is. There's ash falling from the sky where you guys are, right? Yeah. Is it more clear? Yeah. Is it more clear on your side? Because I noticed that if you look towards Awa, it's a little bit more clear.
Look at that.
Just look at the ground.
Wow, we're getting hit with it in my eyes. All black stuff. Dude. It's legit sand. The other one in my eye.
It sounds like rain, but it's not rain. It's ashes. Look at it.
Look at it everywhere. Well, it feels weird on my back. So did a tsunami do anything, Mom?
Well, I'll tell you. I just want the stuff to stop coming out of the volcano.
Sometimes it could be days.
I know. You can't breathe in this air. You can't even cover our, no one can keep their house, you know.
You can't breathe out there. There's so much stuff floating in the air.
Do you think we should put something up on the window? Because this is the direction.
I know. Sheets?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a stapler. I just go out there and pop. At least it will stop that
Yeah, I mean, because think about it. I mean, look.
poisonous gas from coming in.
Can we put this in?
Huh?
This?
Yeah, we can use maps, anything. We just have to find a couple more.
I mean, 'cause like you're saying, what if it rains for days? We can't be having that.
Maps as we can find. This is all we got.
In my eye.
I need 3 because they're small.
The power just went out.
First year. Sophomore is second year. And junior is here.
The moon is out.
Okay, he's going out to lock the gate. Holy crap, I can't see anything. I'm trying, I can't see. I'm staying with. Holy crap. What about the horse, man? I'll lift. I got it. So I bet you're wondering why I said oh no. It's because I got hit in the face with a leaf, and then my dad was running, and I was stuck there with a bunch of stuff flying in my eye. Dad! Ah, fudge! I'm coming! god, just so much flew in my eye, I can't see. Holy crap, I got lost for a second there. I got so much in the eyes, I can't see a thing. Just, holy crap, I can't see a thing.
My head.
Alright, say what you were gonna do.
I have to go check on our horse.
Because it's been out there the whole time?
But there's nothing I can do. I got nowhere to put a horse. I can't bring a horse into the treehouse. I don't even think it would come up even if I wanted it to.
It feels so weird in my foot. It went.
Cover your mouth. Look at the car.
Whoa. Miles overreacting.
Marlon. Dumbo, go. I'll take some awesome pictures.
How am I not gonna walk in it?
No, walking like the trail.
Come here, horsey. We're gonna steal you.
Turn the light at it.
Look at that face.
Hello? Hey there.
Okay, look at that. Like kicking me. See it?
Yeah, it does.
Hey, Chris. Wait.
It's okay, horsey. You good?
I'm talking to the horse.
Huh?
Nothing.
Whew.
Alright, so the volcano has, well, stopped currently. And we're all gonna hang out, watch a movie, go to bed. And then tomorrow we're gonna record and show you what's happening in our lives.
I'm not going to bed.
I have buckets at the bottom of the stairs and 2 buckets down there. You wash your feet before you come in.
Yep.
Trying to clean off the roof, but it's insane. It's all stuck, so I have to clean it off with like my feet.
Things after a volcano goes off. Well, I'm gonna get credit because I don't have any credit. Did you sleep at all? Yeah.
That movie is good.
What movie? It's not AC.
How did they have their car windows up and masks on?
Oh, look at that. Our windshield broke.
Oh yeah, I just realized that.
Oh my gosh. What are we supposed to do?
What do you mean? What are we supposed to do? I don't know.
Why did it break?
I don't know. Something obviously hit it. That's where the tsunami came and wiped out all the walls.
Sweaty with it, huh? I wish our aircon worked well.
And like it makes me look like I have like no chin.
Doesn't matter, you have a mask on.
I know.
So much dust are kicking out.